Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to recover apps, websites and servers from Cloudways. Okay, so in order to start you have to sign up for Cloudways. I will put the link below to get 25% discount for 3 months on Cloudways on the description below. Now, for recover application, you click here and you can see all the apps that was deleted 14 days ago. It will save the recovery for 14 days only. So as you can see here, I just need to click on the recover application and that's it. Now I choose the server, which is maybe the same server that I want to recover to, or some other server or a new server. Let's say I will choose the same server just for it to be faster, and we'll wait. Meanwhile, you can see that it's recovering your app. We can look on the servers page and see again on the recover server what I can recover 14 days ago. If I accidentally deleted some servers and I want to recover them, I do the same thing here. Just click on recover servers, and if I have the app's backups, it will recover me the server as well. Now, as you can see, this app has been recovered and the recover word was added to the title. I can delete it, and as you can see, the domain was deleted as well. It puts the subdomain of Cloudways. I just need to put on the domain management the real domain to upload the website again. And the app is recovered, and also the servers. This is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to recover websites, apps, and servers in Cloudways. If you have any more questions, you can write down in the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.